going to be your living space, and then your kitchen also comes with a proper window attached. Master bedroom is much more spacious compared. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Vertex 33 West by Vertex Vega Developers LLP. The project is located in Nala Gandala, Sringampalli, Hyderabad, Telangana. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office, and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So the first one is the project overview. Vertex 33 West project will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel. 2 towers with 3 basements plus double heighted 1 podium plus 33 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers premium amenities such as a clubhouse which is 38,000 square feet. There is a swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, landscape garden spaces, multi-purpose hall, security gated community, and much more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Nala Gandala, Sringampalli, Hyderabad, Telangana. This is your entire connectivity. Now, the nearby connectivity, the Sringampalli metro station is only 5 minutes away from here. Hyderabad University area being only a 10 minutes drive, and the GSM Mall only 4 kilometers away. Hello everyone, now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Vertex 33 West, which is for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1690 square feet. Let's enter the house. As you can see, at first we of course have our door, which is given proper lock system, so you can add your fingerprint here or you can design the lock system as per your choice. Now, this entire area is going to be your living space. As you can see, your living area extends all the way up from here until that corner of the house. So if you want, you can turn this corner of your living area as your first living space where you can add your couch, your TV or your drawing table, or design it however you like. And as you can see, the entire house has ceiling, in their ceiling lightings done perfectly. Now, you also have an AC panel system given on both sides of the corner. Then on each side, you have proper electric units placed, so you can place any of your electric appliances like your TV or anything whichever side you want. Now, coming to your other corner, if you want, you can turn this corner to your dining area, or if you want, you can again turn this into your other living space area. As you can see, you will have your attached balcony here, which is extremely spacious and has wooden touch flooring. So you also have your glass attached over here for your safety reasons, and as you can see, you have a very beautiful view from your balcony. Now, coming back inside, right very close to your living cum dining area, you have your kitchen space. So if you want, you can open rake this space, redesign it and turn this into an open kitchen space area with your dining area. Entering into your kitchen, the entire house has vitrified tiles done properly, and as you can see, your kitchen also has lightings given in a very unique design. And then your kitchen also comes with a proper window attached. So your basin can come on this side, you have your electric switches here, there as well, and on that corner as well. And you have an extra washing sink which can again come on this corner of your kitchen. Then your kitchen also comes with a dry attached balcony which has proper pipeline system given, and 2 electric units as well. So your washing machines, your laundries can be done here. You again have a tap system given there and your drainage also. And again, you can place your laundry here. You have proper ventilation source coming. In your utility kitchen balcony as well, you have your railings done for your safety. Moving inside, you will notice that this corner again has been given design in a very unique shape. So you can turn this corner into your puja corner, or if you want, you can redesign it, add a bookshelf there, or give it for showcasing. Now we will be entering into our first bedroom. As you can see, your first bedroom is very close to your living area. So this is going to be your first bedroom, which is again extremely very spacious. Here as well, on the top ceiling, you have lightings attached inside of the ceiling. Now, your bedroom comes with two different window systems. First is your open window system, and after that, you have your attached balcony system. As you can see, you get a proper view from here in your balcony as well, and again wooden flooring has been done here. Electric units, fan, AC units have been given. Now of course your room also has an attached washroom which comes with proper basin system, shower system, and you have your ventilation source on the other side as well. Now we will be entering into our second bedroom. So this is going to be your second bedroom. As you can see, when you enter your second bedroom, behind the door's corner side, you have an extra spacious space given there. So if you want, you can turn that spacious area into your walk-in closet. You can add your extra dressing mirror there, or design it however you like. Coming to the bedroom, this room also has an attached balcony, which again gives you direct access view to your entire area. Now, if you notice in this room as well, you have proper lights attached inside of your ceiling, and your wall has been designed in a very unique manner, giving it a pattern. Again, you have your AC units and your electric units attached on each corner of your room. Moving on, this room also has an attached washroom which comes again with very unique style of tilings. So you have your ventilation system, your wash basin, your shower system. So because this washroom is a much more spacious compared to the previous room, you can add partition near your shower system and redesign your washroom as per your choice. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom or the third bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housy exactly does. You see, as soon as you go to Housy's website, you will notice everything you want about the project. Like, also give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project, EMI, down payment options, exclusive pricing details of the project as well. And on our website, you will also find 360 virtual tour of the project. So if you want to book a site visit, it is completely free. You can either click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housy.com for more information. Entering to our master bedroom. As you can already notice, your master bedroom is much more spacious compared to your other rooms, and the designing that has been done in this room is different. You have wooden touch given to your walls. You also have different design given to your wall. Your ceiling pattern also is very different, and again you have your lights attached there. Now, this room comes with two windows. One window comes on this corner of your room, and the other window comes on this corner of your room. Where again in this room also you have a lot of electric units on each sides. Then of course this room also comes with your attached washroom, which is again little more spacious, and again comes with different tile styling, which again has different marble flooring done, and you also have your shower system, basin system, electric unit, and your ventilation source. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Vertex 33 West for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs of the project, do not forget to subscribe to Housy.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.